Are you struggling with hair fall, hair thinning or baldness and you don't want surgery like hair transplant? Today I will explain a modern, safe and natural treatment, GFC therapy, step by step. What is GFC? GFC stands for growth factor concentrate. It is an advanced form of PRP therapy where we use our own blood to extract highly concentrated growth factor. These growth factors help stimulation of hair follicles, improve blood supply, increase hair thickness and density, and the best part, it is 100% natural and safe because it comes from your own blood. Now we talk about step-by-step GFC procedure. Number one step is blood collection. First, we take a small amount of your blood, like 10 to 15 ml, just like a routine blood test. This is done under sterile condition and it is completely safe. Now, second step is GFC separation. We place your own blood into a specific centrifugal machine. This machine spins the blood at a high speed and separate red blood cells, plasma, and most importantly growth factors. In GFC, we extract pure highly concentrated growth factor, which are more effective than traditional PRP. Now third step is injection into the scalp. Now come the main steps. We injected this growth factor directly into the affected area or of your scalp using very fine needles. Before this, we apply numbing cream, so the procedure is almost painless. The entire session takes around 30 to 45 minutes. Now fourth step is recovery and results. After the procedure, no major downtime. You can resume normal activities like the same. Results you can expect like hair fall reduce in 3 to 4 weeks. New hair growth start in 2 to 3 months. Better thicker and density over time. Usually we recommend 3 to 4 sessions for the best results. Who is suitable? GFC works best for early hair thinning, male or female pattern hair loss, post-COVID hair fall. But if you have complete baldness, GFC alone may not be enough. You may need a hair transplant. So if you are looking for a natural, effective and non-surgical hair loss treatment, GFC can be a great option. If you want to know whether GFC is right for you, book a consultation today and don't forget, like the video, share with someone facing hair loss and subscribe for the more expert hair care tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.